Hello foodies, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're diving into the world of delicious plant-based cooking. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, these quick and easy recipes are perfect for you. So let's get cooking. Step 1. Sweet and savory chickpea salad. First up, my favorite sweet and savory chickpea salad. Start with a can of chickpeas, rinse and drain them. Mix in diced veggies like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers and bell peppers. Add a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, pepper and a hint of maple syrup. Toss it all together for a refreshing and satisfying salad. Step 2. Creamy avocado pasta. Next on the menu, creamy avocado pasta. Boil your favorite pasta and blend a ripe avocado with garlic, basil, lemon juice and a touch of olive oil. Toss the creamy avocado sauce with your cooked pasta and voila! Creamy, flavorful and oh so satisfying. Step 3. One-pan vegan stir-fry. For a quick and nutritious dinner, try the one-pan vegan stir-fry. Sauté colourful veggies like broccoli, bell peppers and snap peas in a pan with a bit of sesame oil. Add tofu or your favourite plant-based protein and season with soy sauce and ginger. In no time, you'll have a delicious stir-fry ready to serve. Step 4. Vegan banana pancakes. Who says you can't enjoy pancakes on a plant-based diet? Whip up these vegan banana pancakes by mashing ripe bananas and mixing them with flour, baking powder and plant-based milk. Cook them on a griddle and breakfast is served. Top with fresh fruit and maple syrup for extra sweetness. Step 5. Energizing green smoothie. Start your day with an energizing green smoothie. Blend together spinach, kale, banana, frozen berries and a splash of almond milk. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse that will kickstart your morning and keep you fueled throughout the day. Step 6. Easy vegan chocolate mousse. Cap off your meal with a guilt-free treat. Easy vegan chocolate mousse. Blend ripe avocados, cocoa powder, maple syrup and a splash of vanilla extract. The result? A rich velvety chocolate mousse that's both decadent and plant-based. Step 7. Share and connect. The joy of cooking is best when shared. Share your plant-based creations with friends and family. Connect with others in the vegan community and exchange tips and recipe ideas. The journey to a plant-based lifestyle is more enjoyable when you have a supportive community. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to flavorful vegan cooking. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try. Remember, every delicious plant-based meal is a step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. Until next time, happy cooking.